Chaplain Karnak served the Imperial Fist's Fifth Company during the era Indomitus. Charged with the protection of the chapter shrine of the world of Mithron, the ancient codex known as the Liber Mithros would be entrusted to the chapter during their first founding by the Emperor's personal decree. Standing for many millennia, the shrine would repel all manner of invasion until its final defiance against the Black Legion of Chaos. For 3 weeks, the Imperial Fist's Fifth Company would defend the shrine and call for aid from any Imperial forces willing to aid them. With the opening of a great warp gate above the temple, only 2 members of the Fifth Company would survive the onslaught of the demonic reinforcements. The Ultramarines chapter would receive the call of distress and dispatch an Ultima squad of its second company under the command of Captain Severus. Battling the forces of the Black Legion in their attempt to reach the temple, the Ultramarines would be confronted by a demon prince of chaos, to which Captain Severus would charge the demon into a deep chasm below the temple. Finding Chaplain Karnak and the custodian of the Liber Mithros, Brother Nidon, within the temple, the Ultramarines would attempt to extract the tome from the planet. Beset once more by the Black Legion, Karnak and Nidon would join the Ultramarines as they fought off the overwhelming advance of their foes. Injured during the battle, Karnak and the Ultramarines would seemingly be fated to die until the intervention of the returned Captain Severus. Carving a path to the Thunderhawk gunship, many Ultramarines would give their lives to extract the Liber Mortis. Yet upon the Ultramarine strike cruiser, a great deception would unfold. Captain Severus would confront Karnak and demand to observe the Liber Mortis. Finding its pages to be empty, Severus would, upon the arrival of the Holy Standard of the Second Company, observe its reaction to warp taint and decree Karnak to be tainted by chaos. Executing Karnak, Captain Severus would reveal his identity as the demonic prince wearing Severus's skin and begin his rampage across the ship. Despite the demon's eventual demise at the hands of the Ultramarine, Proteus, the cost to preserve the Liber Mortis would be great. The death of the stalwart chaplain of the Imperial Fist's Fifth Company, an incredible loss for the Sons of Dawn.